This whole thing is the scan platform that we're dealing with. It moves in two directions. This is the azimuth direction, and that's the direction of rotation where we're having a problem, where it appeared to get stuck during the occultation time period. It also moves in elevation, and that direction appears to move without any difficulty and move properly. So we are investigating with these tests the movement of the scan platform. A test last evening moved it a very slight bit to see if we could move it. Tests earlier this morning, we're increasing this amount of movement, this excursion. And the gearbox that drives all of this is this device, odd-shaped looking area here, where all of the gearboxes, it's a bit of clockworks kind of thing, a lot of gears, and drives the scan platform through this series of pipes and axes.
Speculation was that Voyager had flown through a swarm of small electrified particles that fouled its gears.
The optical navigation becomes very powerful.
Dr. Stone.
And therefore, the really new part of Voyager 2, that is imaging of the right side of the rings at very close approach, has been completed. The part which we will miss, obviously, is the imaging of the dark side of the ring. And of course, that's unfortunate, but we did do some dark side, quite a bit dark side imaging of the ring on Voyager 1.
The platform doesn't come back, and the spacecraft can't be oriented for one reason or another. Can you put a percentage number on how much of the mission goals have been achieved?
I would have to say essentially all of them. I think the major area where we're missing some key data is probably on Enceladus, having gotten only one of our 3 high-resolution mosaics, and on Tethys, where we got 1 of 2.